YouTube, what it do? If I get my little fishing pole and stuff ready, me and my little brother about to go fishing. Man, I got shit tangled up everywhere, man. Damn. Hold on, let me try to get this shit situated. All right, so now I got this little stuff situated. Now I done threw my fishing pole on the back of the truck. Man, the latest fishing pole I got it as a gift, and I done broke it the other day. Had it sitting on the back of my truck. I don't know if I threw something on it and snapped the tip of it or what, but I guess I gotta go up to the Walmart and get me a new one. So, y'all stay tuned. I'm finna go up here, go get me another pole, and then go and find some water me and my little brother can go to. All right, so I done went up here to Walmart, got me a little Shakespeare fishing pole. Then my brother up here in this damn Sonic line, long as hell. Finna grab something to eat real quick before we go out there. And they can't be on that water starving. It make me want to leave. But yeah, we finna get this food, hit the lake, come back with the rest of the video. Yeah. Got me a little chili cheese tater tot. Shit hot as fuck too. Had to put some on my stomach. I woke up and ain't ate nothing. My air out in my truck. I'm hot as fuck. I'm gonna get back with y'all though. There got the little minion going back in the water. Number three. We done came down here to somebody's pond in the back of their apartment. It kind of rained a little bit, but it slowed down.
2 seconds later.
Number four. 2 seconds later.
That's a keeper. Oh, slab.
Yeah.
That's a slab, Cotton.
Good eating.
Number 5.
Number 5.
On the board.
Another bluegill.
Yes, sir. Number 6.
Number 6. See, he little? Got a little minion.
Little mini-me.
They got the pouring down on us. So. About to grab these little things and run to the track. Yeah. Y'all stay tuned. We got some more videos coming. We gotta find some more spots. Alright, we done pulled up to a new spot. This bitch look abandoned like a motherfucker. Look at this shit. It's like on some scary movie type shit. Window busted, ain't no telling what's in that motherfucker. I'd be scared to go in there. It says a bait shop though. They say smile you on camera. Probably something dead or something. Them mud though. They say? I'm finna see something in front of them mud. Oh my bad. He's always scared coming through something like this. This damn wood feel a little flimsy. I don't. Oh shit. No. I ain't gonna fake. If something was to come up here, boy, and come like, imagine if it came like right there by the gate, and we gotta get out.
That way.
You gonna see me hop that damn gate this time? That big ass gate.
I'm probably gonna stop.
What they say? No wake zone. What do you mean?
You can't go fast. Let me.
Oh. I'm gonna throw my shit right here. That's a small white perch. Oh, that's a catfish. You gonna go get them plows?
Oh, car was in the car. I might be able to get it. You
I'll
want to
just
step
put
on
my
it?
foot, yeah. Nah. What the fuck is that? Shit look nasty as fuck. The down there got scared. I didn't know what it was. Hold on now. I ain't see this. It look like they say beware alligator or something. Then the sign, damn, they're gone. I'm glad I seen it. First little abandoned fish.
It was like purple.
Uh-huh. Boy got a fish on the rope. The line broke off the fishing pole, but he got the he still got the string. Huh?
Had like took it under.
Probably got it,
Look at that mud right here.
Boy, rolling that mud up.
Had a straight ticket under.
The worm still on there.
Everything still on. That mud just broke off.
Bluegill with the jig. Oh yeah. Alright, we about to wrap it up. Leave this old abandoned ass boat lunch or whatever it is. But yeah, it was straight. Finna get out of here now though. Getting too little dark. I mean, getting a little too dark. We seeing alligator signs and shit. It's time to go. You know, they like to creep up on you. And then they'll be sitting like right on this board.
You won't even know.
Man, he jump up there so quick. Shit, I can't swim, so I can't jump in the water. I can jump that fence though. That's all that matter. Yeah. But we gonna fuck with y'all. Little brother trying to race him, man. He trying to race me. He's running right now. Show him what this old Chevy about. I cheated a little bit. I had started off before he did, but we finna